Hello guys! What's gonna make slime with what's gonna make I think I'm gonna make something, but I don't know. I'm gonna make a kid. Oh, I'm trying to make. Ooh, what can make the best? Oh, this here. What can make the best pepperoni pizza? What can make the best pepperoni pizza? I don't know. Today we're gonna see. This is a thick thing, guys. I have so much time. Yeah, that's so much slime. Uy. No, it's not.
Bakit doon na layo yun?
Yes, put the sign close and okay, guys.
May kaulutan mo?
No.
Ha? Sabi mo, kumakitan mo yung ulo mo at agad.
Hindi na.
Iutot na iutot yan. Kung natatay ka, tumahay ka.
Yeah. Okay. I can probably that's I probably will use 10 whole minutes to do this.
Bakit mo?
First, these two. Now, second. Okay.
Akin lang yung cellphone tan.
Nag-video nga ako.
Langot na mo.
Wait lang. Guys, let's see what make the best pepperoni pizza.